Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check iPhone real battery health. If you're using any iPhone and you want to check the real-time battery health of your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have a simple way. You have to open up your settings, then go for battery, and here you will get the option of battery health. Simply tap on it, and here you will get the maximum capacity, and here you can see that it is not your original maximum capacity or battery health. If you want to check the originals, you just have to go back, open up your browser, and here you have to search for iPhone battery shortcut. You just have to search for it as the iPhone battery shortcut. Once you have searched, you have to open the first website from here and then scroll down and you will get the option of battery status shortcut. So simply tap on it. Once you have tapped, it will open into your shortcuts app. So you just have to wait for until it's loading, then tap on add shortcut. Once you have added the shortcut, you just have to go back, open your settings again, and this time you just have to scroll down and open the privacy and security section. Tap on it, then further scroll down and you will get the option of analytics and improvements here. Simply tap on it and then select analytics data, and here you will get the analytics data of all the previous days. You just have to select the analytic data of the previous date. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Simply tap on it, then tap on the share option in the top right corner, then select more, and here you will get the option of battery status. Simply tap on it and it will give you the results, and here you can see the original maximum battery capacity of your iPhone. So in this way you can easily check the real-time battery health of any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.